The array.foreach method executes a provided function once for each array element. Down below we have an array containing several names: Bob, Mark, Amanda, and Joe. Now we want to log all the names inside that array. To achieve that, all we need to do is to say people.foreach, and this takes a function, and we can provide a couple of arguments right here. The first argument is the current element that we are iterating over. So I'm going to call this element. The second one is our index, the index of the element we are iterating over. And we can also provide an optional third argument, which is the array. And what we can do now is we can directly say console log element and save this. Now, if I say node script.js and hit enter, we'll see Bob, Mark, Amanda, and Joe right here. Now what we want to do is we want to output also the index. So I'm gonna change this a little bit. I'm gonna use backticks right here, and I'm gonna say element. So element is $, curly braces, element. And we will say index is, we're going to pass the index right here, and we're going to save this, and we're going to run the same command down below. So I'm going to clear this down below. Let me make this bigger. And say node script.js. And we can see element is Bob and index is 0 because Bob is at the position 0. Element is Mark, index is 1. Element is Amanda, index is 2. And element is Joe, index is 3. And we can also check what is the argument that we passed array. And we can say also dash. So inside the template string, we can also say array r is, and we can provide r just like this, and hit save and run this once again right here. So node script.js, and here we can see element is Bob, index is 0, and array is Bob, Mark, Amanda, Joe. Basically all that the last argument does, it logs also the whole array on every iteration. And that was array.foreach explained in short. I hope you liked the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe and also recommend to a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next videos.